The Padma Puran Lagu Bhagavatamrit Uttarkhanda verse 45. Yatha Radha Priya Vishnus Tasya Kundam Priyam Tatha Sarva Gopishu Saivaika Vishnur Atyanta Vallabha. This is the same meaning which Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu glorified to Radha Kund. That same meaning is in Sanskrit in the Lagu Bhagavatamrit verse. Mahaprabhu was just glorifying in his own words in Bengali. And he chanted this verse also. This is the prayers to Radha Kund, Pranam Mantra to Radha Kund, offering Dandvat to Radha Kund. Sarva Gopishu Saivaika. Saivaika means Radha Kund is serviceable. I mean, just like all the Sakhis are surrounding Radha and always serving her, in the same way they always serve Radha Kund. They are always surrounding Radha Kund. Sarva Gopishu Saivaika. Vishnu Ratyanta Vallabha. Why? Because the gopis, they know that if we serve Radha Kund, Krishna will also come running, Radha will also come. They don't have to go and search elsewhere. But by serving Radha Kund, automatically Krishna is in their hands. Vishnu Ratyanta Vallabha. In fact, Krishna is very pleased on those who serve Radha Kund. Because even if we are serving a deity of Radharani, the deity will be conscious as per our devotion. Will accept our seva. But if you are serving Radha Kund, you are serving Radharani directly. There is no doubt. Radha Kund is supremely non-different from Radharani. So Krishna is very, very pleased on those who serve Radha Kund. Like if you want to enter the Ras Leela, you render service in Ras Mandal. You sweep the Ras Mandal, Seva Kunj, and wherever you want to enter the Leela, you have to serve at that place. So by the mercy of that place, you can enter into the Leela there. So there are different Leelas in the Ashtayamas, and devotees as per their Swarup, they can decide which is the Leela which is the most attractive to one's bhajan. That will manifest slowly by chanting and by doing bhajan. Because the location and the Nitya Seva, the Seva of the Swarup is connected. You do Seva at a particular location. So if your Seva and Sthan is very important. Nitya Leela te চিন্ময় দেহে যে স্বরূপে একাদশ ভাব আছে তার মধ্যে এক ভাব আছে সেবা আপনার সেবা কি আর এই সেবা স্বরূপেরও একাদশ ভাব আছে তার মধ্যে এক ভাব আছে সেবা কি সেবা আপনি কি সেবা করিবে লীলাতে আর এই সেবারও কানেকশন আছে স্থানেতে যদি কি স্থান আপনি বজিতে রইবে আর কি সেবা করিবে তো আপনার যে স্বরূপেরও যে নিত্য স্থান এই স্থানের প্রতি আপনার আকর্ষণ হবে যদি আপনি রাসমণ্ডলেতে আকর্ষণ সেবা আছে তো আপনি রাসমণ্ডলে ভজন করিবে যদি আপনার রাধা কুণ্ডের নিত্য লীলাতে আকর্ষণ আছে এইদিকে ভজন সো I cannot go in the very particulars, but my Nitya Seva is in Radha Kund, and Radha Kund Leela is like you said yesterday. Sometimes actually I feel I am a fanatic about Radha Kund. It's like আমি রাধা কুণ্ড প্রত্যে আমি খুব আসক্ত আমার আর কিছু স্থান ভালো লাগে না I mean all the places are the Lord's transcendental places, but when that nishtha comes, when that swarupa comes, when this attraction comes, then every place becomes a little pale compared to your Siddhapit, your place. So maybe someday I will speak about it. But right now I am not. Because once bhajan, like you only keep your bhajan secret. But then you are asking me. यही कुंड नित्य कृष्ण राधिकारो संगे जले जल केली करे तीरे रास रंगे সেই কুণ্ডে যেই একবার করে স্নান তারও রাধা সম প্রেম কৃষ্ণ করে দান কুণ্ডের মাধুরী যেন রাধার মধুরিমা কুণ্ডেরও মহিমা যেন রাধার মহিমা এই মতে স্তুতি করে প্রেমাবিষ্ট হইয়া তীরে নৃত্য করে কুণ্ড লীলা স্মরিয়া কুণ্ডের মৃত্তিকা লাগে তিলক করিল ভট্টাচার্য দ্বারা মৃত্তিকা সঙ্গে করি লইল This is all the prayers Mahaprabhu is offering to the Radha Kund. He's singing these prayers. He's saying, Tire Ei Kunde Nitya Krishna Radhikara Sange. Krishna is constantly with Radha in these kundas, near these kundas. They are never separated. Jale Jala Keli Kare Tire Ras Range. In the water they do the water pastimes, whereas on the banks of Radha Kund they do the Ras Leelas. So Mahaprabhu is glorifying this Leelas and he is praying in this way. And he is saying, Shai Kunde Jai Kare Ek Bar Snan Radha Sama Prem Krishna. These words are spoken by Gauranga Mahaprabhu himself. That one who takes bath in Radha Kund once, Krishna will give the love equal to Radha. So these words are coming from the mouth of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And so we take his words as our life and soul. And we take bath in Radha Kund with full faith that these words are true. Bhagwanero shabdete vishwas kore Gauranga Mahaprabhu kahi Radha Kunde kore ek bar snan. He Mahaprabhu ra vakya. Aur kichu lokera vakya nahi. Mahaprabhu ra vakya. Ek bar snan. Krishna becomes so obliged. Krishna will never forget. Even if you forget that you have taken bath in Radha Kund, Krishna will not forget. He will remember. আপনি একবার স্নান করিবে আমার কর্তব্যে আমি তোমার রাধারও সম প্রেম দিবে. It is my duty to give you prem like Radha because you have taken bath once with love and devotion. The glories of Radha Kund are equal to Radharani and the beauty of Radha Kund is equal to the beauty of Radha. In that way he sang all his stutis and pastimes. He became very ecstatic in pure love of God and he was dancing very jubilantly. Gauranga Mahaprabhu on the banks of Radha Kund, remembering the Nitya Leelas, and then he took the mud and put tilak on his body and then he gave the balance mud to Bhattacharya to carry the mud with him. In that way, this description concludes of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Bolo Shri Radha Kund ki jai, Shama Kund ki jai.